Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we're doing pan-fried pork chops with a simple hard cider pan sauce. Thick pork chops are coated with a spice rub, pan-fried golden, and then topped with a quick and easy pan sauce made of hard cider. It's a great weekday recipe, so let's get started. We'll start by mixing a spice rub for the pork chops. Paprika, dry mustard powder, onion powder, garlic powder, kosher salt, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Give that a mix. I'm using a bone-in pork chop that is about an inch thick, and we'll start by patting our pork chops dry and topping with the spice rub. Coat the pork chops evenly on both sides. Next, you'll heat canola oil in a heavy skillet. Once hot, add your pork chops and cook for about 6 minutes aside without moving, allowing the pork chop to get a good sear. You want an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Move the pork chops to a serving plate and cover with tin foil to keep warm while we make the pan sauce. And for today's pan sauce, we're doing a hard apple cider. Any brand will do. You'll want to dab out any excess oil, add the hard cider, and stir, scraping up any brown bits on the bottom of the pan. Allow the cider to simmer and reduce for about 5 minutes. Add Dijon mustard, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, chili flakes, and heavy cream. Allow to return to a simmer and reduce for 2 to 3 minutes or until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. Season to taste with salt and pepper and garnish with fresh parsley if desired. Thank you for watching today. I have no doubt that you're going to love this quick and easy weeknight meal of pan-fried pork chops with hard cider sauce. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.